my gosh. My hobby. So we can use this now. Oh my goodness. Ayan na siya. She's gonna be unboxing. Oh my gosh. Guys, we're about to buy it.
First time. Dapat nag-vlog kasi eh. Yun know, first time mo ba?
I'm vlogging right now.
Fall out of the 4 colors, but fall my phone.
What's poking your eye?
Oh yeah.
Yay! Thank you, my love. To open it para sa bahay na.
Yeah.
Everyone's just going to fly to get their hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you saw the face.
Residents, they share a weekend. But yeah, the hotel for me, like the residents.
Wow. Guys, we're gonna try the octopus. Kain muna before unboxing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's try it. Nahulog pa. Guys, this is it. We're gonna be unboxing. Let's go.
You still have to
Okay. Sorry, it's my first. Masha, 13-inch MacBook Neo. Okay, let's open it. Unboxing ASMR. Oh my gosh! I will show what's in here muna. Designed by Apple, California. This is the cord, and this is the charger. What do you call this?
power adapter.
The adapter.
Parang gusto ko din yun.
MacBook Neo. Ayan na. Okay, so what should I do? Should I take this off? Wow. Wow. Wow, ganda niya. Ganda ng color niya. Is this like pink? The keyboard?
Parang pink.
Or is it white? Oh my gosh. English Australia? Okay. It doesn't work. Okay. It's loading. Oh my gosh. Pink din? Yan. Okay. So it looks like this na. Yan na siya, guys.
Yeah, but for
Yan na
a
siya.
1-inch, the other one's way
Yan na
better.
siya. Hey guys, so nabili ko na. Ay, nabili pala niya. My hobby. So, ayun lang. I just wanted to let you know that I'm so happy! Sabi na, pang vlog ko na, pang edit and anything. Pero para sa akin, I don't know. Pang vlog ko na lang din and everything else. Yeah. Thanks to my hubby for buying me my Neo. Thank you, my love. What will you say?
Welcome.
Hi guys, so I will show you my MacBook Neo. Ayan na siya. Chi, can you please fix it? Chi, thank you for buying this for me.
No problem. Enjoy.
Ayan. So, ayan na siya. So, it's... What? Oh my gosh. Muntik pa matulog. Guys, muntik mahulog yung camera ko. Bili ang ligaga. Let me show you the sides and the back. Try to close it. Ganda na. Ganda na. Let me just put the camera up. And show it to you like this. Oh, let's try the photo booth. There again. Hey, hey. Hi. Let me zoom in a bit. Hey. Parang haggard ko. The show, we can use this now. Oh my goodness. So yeah, let's try the others. Which one? The alien. What else? Let's try this. Let's try this. Oh my gosh, ang pangit, guys. Ang pangit. The chipmunk. Anyways, what else? This is normal. So, okay, we're done with this.
Okay, let's try this one now. I did not know I was waking up as we Guys, look how cute.